They got the Urus going. Wide body. Supra. Hell no. That been making no noise. Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Keon. I'm coming through with another video. I just got the location to this car meetup that's downtown Atlanta, so that's why I'm about to head there, get some content. But yeah, I'm about to see who I'm gonna show because they literally just posted the location like 30 minutes ago. So yeah, get y'all with a cool spot. Look at that boy. What you doing? I'm about to go to a car meet. Yeah, I'm recording now. You just get home? And wasn't much of a cold start. Huh? So we got Jax again. Huh? Bird shit on it. I got that Audi thing. I got the Jax. Oh man. Yeah, so it's not all that cold. I was just driving a couple hours ago. I'll go ahead and put in my mode sense. Since it's kind of warmed up. Oh. Oh.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto the I-75 South ramp.
I don't know, I love driving at night. It's more peaceful. Less people on the road. I get to see the ambient light in the car. Ignore that engine light. Something about that.
Turn right onto the I-75 South ramp.
There's something about the catalytic converter. Need to get them cleaned or
In a
replaced.
quarter mile, merge onto I-75 South.
Popping tonight, boy.
Continue on I-75 South for 7 miles.
cars cluster up like this. Get out the way. Yeah, like I was saying about the check engine light, it's something wrong with the catalytic converter. It happened to me before. The bank 2 catalytic converter was clogged, and I had it replaced under warranty. And I guess the other one just clogged up now. I don't know if that's an issue with the S550s.
In a half mile, use the second from the right lane to stay on I-75 South and follow signs for I-85 South Atlanta.
But my car's still under warranty, so I just have Ford able to replace it. But the last time I had it in the shop for this issue, it took them 2 weeks, well, it took them 3 weeks.
Use the second from the right lane to stay on I-75 South, then use the second from the right lane to take exit 250. Use the second from the right lane to take exit 250. In a quarter mile, continue on to Techwood Drive Northwest. In 1,000 feet, turn left onto 14th Street Northwest, US Highway 19 North. At the light, turn left onto 14th Street Northwest, US Highway 19 North. In 800 feet, turn right onto Spring Street Northwest.
800, that's quick. We're about a mile away.
At the light, turn right onto Spring Street Northwest. Continue on Spring Street Northwest for half a mile.
Teach y'all how to bend the corner. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get in front of them. Yeah. Good. That BMW was electric. It probably would have got me off the line if
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Abercrombie Place Northwest.
There's a lot of people down there. Oh, that's cheaters. Look. I ain't trying to race, buddy, because I know he lined up with me, so he ready to race. That's the BMW i4. I drove that at the BMW driving experience, and they quick. They got 530 horsepower. Yeah, see, they headed that way too. Yeah, he gonna try to race me off the line. Watch him. Look, he too ready. He too ready. Oh no, that's not the I. That's not the i4. That's the 430i. Better let me in. Dang, boy, some of your cookies on swole. Dang, they made him miss the light. this next right.
Turn right onto Abercrombie Place Northwest, then your destination will be on the right.
Come on now. I just want to turn right. Ooh. I still gotta go back home and edit some more videos. Up. All right, so everybody turning in here. Come on now, come on. And the security already calling the cops. So we ain't gonna be here long. We ain't gonna be here long. Yep, we ain't gonna be here long. Somebody is calling the cops. Is that a GT500? Oh, that's... No, that ain't it. It's regular, but that did look like a GT500. You know, it's set up like that. Rooftop car meet. Got a Mach 1 right there. That is nice. Good amount of people there. I might just park right here. They got plenty of room. That would look good though. Alright, how you doing? Yeah, that's the beat, man. You got cameras and shit? Supra. Oh, that color door. What's that? That's the through the V8. Oh, I have my own Hellcat. I could have parked all the way back here. Another Mustang. I like that Lexus. Nothing picked up. He breathing. Must be his drift car. An Acura. A new Mustang over there. Got an M8 over there. Yeah, so we in Midtown Atlanta. You see the Coca-Cola building over there, Coca-Cola headquarters. I like those wheels. Those wheels going crazy. Like it's S5. Oh, it's the RS, oh, RS6, RS5. I like that. Bad sitting low. It's crazy. I need to get me a splitter. Just like that. Just like that. And this is just the IS350 up. Got a track over there. Track. Goddamn. Another CTSV. It's crazy. Crazy. They still got more cars coming up. Look, a Hellcat down there. I hate those wheels on the follows. It sound good. I know you got exhaust on. Thought it might be time to go. They got the uterus going. Wide body. Damn.
What made you want to go like big? Why you go like, some sand?
I mean, I had all that. Just a little bit. So right now my whole fleet is like SUVs.
Garden makes everything look good.
I've been Taylor and G-Wagon.
So,
well, I can't say shit.
I mean, they all different cars.
There's only one company that does it though. Like I'm sure.
So it just depends on
very
the
limited
daytime.
on options. Yeah, I was about to say, Missouri does a lot of
I
Audis
just
too.
drive this now since I did the turbo upgrades and shit. I want to drive it.
Audi's got more options, but it's still.
So how much horses?
Go ask the,
F-150 I drive.
my guy right here.
Tahoe, like,
How many horses?
BJ, where we at the horses?
I got a
Where we at horses? Oh man.
That's from Mexico only, man.
You heard him.
It's up there. It's up there.
It's up there.
I'm full with that. I'm full with that. Now this shit hard, bro. Good shit, bro. God, this shit.
Yeah. It's crazy, isn't it? And they got a wide body, crazy color too. Oh shit! I see people leaving this whole road on the. I like that though. That's the first cleanest one I seen. Usually with the GT500 body kit, it'd be looking kind of crazy. Yeah, oh, they tripping.
I tried to race one of those. And they like right there for the QT and gone.
Fat turbo on that motherfucker. That's 2000. It ain't really. Kia Forte GT. No, I'm getting tired. Might be leaving in a few minutes. Turbo whistle, that sounds crazy. this is crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Well, he slung that shit around the corner. That's crazy. Hell no. That been making no noise. That yours crazy.